Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Call me crazy, but I am not longing right now. After reaching an all-time high of 99,662 on November 22nd, Bitcoin dropped 2.43% to 97,200 within 25 hours. Money flow is declining on the 1-hour chart. RSI is not even oversold yet, which is another reason I am hesitant. My strategy flashed an entry at 97,500 on the 15-minute chart, but I am sitting this one out. Call me Sideline Joe if you want, but this could easily be a trap set by whales shorting aggressively. Now let us take a look at the liquidation heat map. Above us there is a big short liquidation pocket sitting around 100,000. If Bitcoin pushes higher, it could trigger a short squeeze. However, below us, long liquidation liquidity builds at 97,000, 195,000. In my opinion, the lower liquidity is easier to collect. This makes a drop to 95,000 a very real possibility before we see further upside. Market makers love to target over-leveraged positions, so caution is the key. Monday could change the game if Sailor or ETFs start buying again. Speaking of institutions, Marathon Digital Holdings just acquired 5,771 BTC for $572 million, bringing their reserves to 33,875 BTC, worth about $3.4 billion. That is massive. Allianz SE also purchased nearly 25% of MicroStrategy's 2031 convertible notes. With MicroStrategy's significant Bitcoin holdings, this move shows institutional confidence in Bitcoin's future. And VanEck has doubled down on its $180,000 price target for Bitcoin this cycle.
Price target for this cycle is 180K. We think we can reach that next year. That would be 1,000% return from the bottom to the peak this cycle. That's still the smallest Bitcoin cycle by far.
And here is the bombshell. China has made cryptocurrency ownership legal. This news could drive massive interest from Asia and could further solidify Bitcoin's role as a global asset. Long term, I believe Bitcoin will break 100,000 by December 2024 and hit a six-figure mid-range in 2025. If you want real-time updates on my entries, exits, and thoughts, join my Discord community. If this content adds value, like the video and subscribe for daily updates. Stay tuned. I will keep watching the charts and report back soon. And see you in the next one.